Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm with the modified Mean Green Machine 1203 Ripsaw tank. Let's see what she does. She's on 2S. She goes good in the snow. She's a beaut. Whoa. Let's go through the deep stuff here. Whoa, where am I going? Oh, we're gonna hit the wall. Whoa, damn thing goes through everything. I have my custom paddle tire tracks on this beauty. Oh, she sunk deep. Oh. Forgot it's backwards when you drive this beauty. Oh my God, where am I going? I have this set up so it don't turn fast. So when you go in a turn, it's a big arc. You gotta let off a little gas, then it turns sharper. That way you don't get them abrupt turns, I should say. But, oh. See if I could go through the snow here. I always go the wrong direction in reverse. Oh, come on. She's stuck right into a wall. She's a beauty. She's a beauty. See if we could go through this deep stuff. Oh no! Holy God! I almost launched it. Now I was saying, let's see if we could go through some of this deeper stuff here. Oh no! Oh! Right off. That wasn't good. Let's see. Oh, forget it. It's too slippery in there. Looks better in the shade. You actually see it going. Damn plant again. Oh, lipo's dying. You heard the beep. That's it for this beauty. I only have a little 1300 milliamp lipo in it. There she is. She's a beauty, guys. Alright, hope you enjoyed the mean green Ripsaw running ripping machine. She's fun and she's a beauty. If you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always, and a comment will be sweet. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Whew, I'm cold. I can't even talk. Let's go. See you later, guys. I can't get up the stairs.